If Steam is showing error 208, it usually means there is a connection timeout or an incomplete request. In simple terms, Steam sends a request, but the response gets blocked, dropped, or never fully loads on your PC. The good news is that this is usually fixable in just a few minutes, and in this video I'll walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam fixes, gaming tips, and PC troubleshooting guides. Now let's jump right in. The first and most common fix is to delete the HTML cache folder. Steam uses a built-in browser for the store and library, so if that web data becomes corrupted, it can trigger 200 series errors like this one. To do this, first close Steam completely. For the best result, open Task Manager and make sure Steam is not still running in the background. Once Steam is fully closed, press Windows +R on your keyboard, type %local app data % and press enter. This will open your local app data folder. From there, find and open the Steam folder. Inside that folder, look for a folder called htmlcache. Delete that folder completely. Don't worry, Steam will rebuild it automatically when it launches again. After that, reopen Steam and test whether the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to disable hardware-accelerated web rendering. On some systems, GPU driver conflicts can cause Steam's web interface to freeze, hang, or timeout. To change this, open Steam and go to Settings, then click Interface. Look for the option that says Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views. Turn that option off. After disabling it, restart Steam so the change can take effect. This simple setting fix solves the issue for a lot of users, especially if the problem started after a driver update or a Steam update. Another useful fix is changing your download region. If the server you are connected to is overloaded or having issues, Steam requests can fail and cause error 208. To try this, go to Steam Settings, then Downloads. Find the download region setting and switch it to a different city or, if needed, a nearby country. Pick a stable option that is close to your actual location so your connection remains fast. Once you change the region, restart Steam and check whether the error is resolved. This is a quick test that can make a big difference if the issue is server-side rather than caused by your PC. If none of those steps worked, the next fix is to reset the Winsock catalog. Winsock controls how Windows handles network connections, so if it gets corrupted, small pieces of data, like Steam responses, can be lost or blocked. To reset it, open the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. After that, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. These commands help reset your network stack and clear out old DNS data that may be interfering with Steam. Once both commands are complete, restart your PC before launching Steam again. At this point, one of these four methods should fix Steam error 208 for you. I always recommend starting with the HTML cache folder first, because that is the most common cause. If that doesn't work, move through the other steps one by one until Steam loads properly again. Also, remember that if you changed any network settings or reset Winsock, restarting your computer is important, so the fixes fully apply. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you still have issues after trying these steps, leave a comment and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.